And Smriti Irani has also spoken out on the controversy over her educational qualifications mentioned by her in the affidavit. Smriti Irani heading back at the Congress, accusing the party of creating controversies unnecessarily to target her. All right, this is Smriti Irani's comeback. She, in fact, heading out of the Congress, accusing them of creating unnecessary controversies around her educational qualifications just to target her. This after Priyanka Chaturvedi in a press conference had ridiculed and mocked Smriti Irani for not being a graduate.
एक ऐसा अपमान नहीं, एक ऐसी गाली नहीं, एक ऐसा षड्यंत्र नहीं, एक ऐसी निर्लज व्यवहार नहीं जो कांग्रेस के कुछ चेले चपाटों ने मेरे साथ गत 5 वर्षों में ना किया हो। उनका गुस्सा मात्र इतना कि मैंने अमेठी में नामदार को चुनौती दी है। अभी तो शुरू हुआ है, नामदार अभी दूसरी सीट पर पहुंचे हैं। उनकी परमानेंट इस सीट से हार 13 मई को सुनिश्चित हो जाएगी। कांग्रेस के जितने चेले चपाटे मुझे जितना अपमानित करना चाहें, जितना लज्जित करना चाहें, जितना परेशान करना चाहें, उन्हें खुली छूट है।
Polami joins us for more on this. Polami, so Smriti Irani being the politician giving a spin to this, saying that the Congress party is afraid of her contesting from Amethi, taking on Rahul Gandhi. But this entire controversy has actually been on the veracity of her claims with the changing statements that have been made.
Absolutely. This is about the constant claims that she has made in various affidavits about her educational qualifications. The latest where she has, of course, said that, in the affidavit that she filed for her nomination in Amethi for the Lok Sabha elections 2019, she said that she's not a graduate, that she's only completed her bachelor's as far as the first year is concerned. So she's not completed the 3-year course from the School of Open Learning, and hence, obviously, the Congress is questioning her degree. But this is obviously going to turn into a war of words. Like we've been discussing on various claims and counterclaims which have been made, and various allegations which have been flying thick and fast between Smriti Irani and Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party. Amethi is going to witness many more such fireworks. So the Congress will continue to challenge Smriti Irani on various fora possible, and here, of course, taking pot shots at the changing, her changing educational qualifications in successive affidavits, and Smriti Irani saying they can take as many jibes at me, take as many pot shots at me, abuse me for all they like, but I will continue to challenge the Congress side.
Absolutely. Smriti Irani putting up a brave front in the wake of all the criticism coming her way because of her shifting stance, her changing statements on her educational qualifications. Because in 2015, in fact, when Smriti Irani was asked about her degrees at the India Today conclave, at that time she claimed that she has a degree from Yale. Listen in.
While you filed your affidavit before the Election Commission in 2004, you said that you'd completed your BA and you had a full degree. When it came to your 2014 affidavit, it became BA Part 1. So what's the mystery of the Smriti affidavit which never got answered?
You know, Rahul, in that kitty of mine where people call me Unpad, I do have a degree from Yale as well, which I can bring out and show how Yale celebrated my leadership capacity. And I have said this, that extraneous circumstances are being created so that I deviate my concentration from what my goals are, and I should best be judged on what I deliver as a minister. But I must say this, I had another colleague of yours, Anjana, and she told me, "आप तो पढ़ के आए होगे आज." मैंने कहा, आपने सुना नहीं, मैं अनपढ़ हूँ.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.